Next topic is equation of sphere passing through the circle of intersection of sphere and the plane is what? Yes, LHS of the sphere, and suppose V is the LHS of the equation of plane is what? S plus lambda V is equal to 0. This is the formula to obtain the equation of sphere passing through the circle of intersection of sphere and plane. We know that the intersection of sphere and plane is circle, and we have to find the equation of another sphere passing through that circle. So the formula is S plus lambda V is equal to 0. This formula is similar to the formula of equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of two planes. Suppose U is equal to 0 and V is equal to 0 are two planes, then their intersection is line, and the equation of line passing through the intersection of this line is what? U plus lambda V is equal to 0, like that. The equation of sphere passing through the circle of intersection of sphere and plane is this S plus lambda V is equal to 0. So problem on the topic is what? Find equation of sphere passing through the or containing the circle of intersection of sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x minus 4y minus 6z minus 14 is equal to 0, and the plane x plus y minus z is equal to 0, and passing through the point 1 1 minus 1. So the required equation of sphere is S plus lambda is equal to 0. What is S? S means the left side of the equation of sphere, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x minus 4y minus 6z minus 14 plus lambda. V means this, the equation of plane x plus y minus z is equal to 0. So this is the equation of sphere passing through the circle of intersection of the sphere and plane. Now we have to find the value of lambda. So use this sentence that this sphere star passes through the point 1, 1 and minus 1. What do we have? This point satisfies this equation. So we have this, that is substitute x as 1, y as 1 and z as 1. We have this 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1, plus 6 into 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6 minus 14 plus lambda. X is 1, y is 1 and z is minus 1, so minus 1 will become plus 1. So after simplification we have 3 lambda is equal to 3, and therefore lambda is 1. So substitute this value of lambda in 1. So we have the equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x minus 4 minus 6z minus 14 plus lambda value is 1 in bracket x plus y plus z is equal to 1. After multiplication of 1 this bracket and adding and subtracting, we have the answer. So this 6x and plus x is 7x, then minus 4y plus y is minus 3y, and minus 6z minus z becomes minus 7z right here, minus 7z minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of sphere passing through the circle of intersection of this sphere and plane. So this is important question as far as the exam concerned. So the problem or homeworks are what? So write the problem that find the equation of sphere passing through the circle of intersection of sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9, and the plane 2x plus 3y minus plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0, and passing through the point 1 2 3. So the answer of this problem is what? The equation of required sphere is S plus lambda V is equal to 0. So what is S? S is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 right here, x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus lambda in bracket 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. And then find the value of lambda by using this, that this equation star passes through the point 1 2 3. Therefore the 1 2 3 satisfies the equation. That is substitute x as 1, y as 2 and z as 3. We get the value of lambda, and then resubstitute the value of lambda in equation star. We get the final answer. The same similar question next for assignment, that find the equation of sphere passing through the circle of intersection of this sphere and this plane and passing through the point 3 minus 1 1. Next problem is find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 2y minus 4x minus 11 is equal to 0, and x plus 2y plus z is equal to 50. The same problem, second problem. So here we have to find the center and radius of the circle. So the intersection, this is the equation of sphere. The first is the equation of sphere and this is the equation of plane. And we know that the intersection of sphere by plane is circle. And we have to find the center and radius of that circle. Okay. So the same question, next second question. So draw this diagram. This is the circle. This is the circle as an intersection of sphere and plane. That is, after the intersection of this sphere by plane, we have this is the circle. So at this position, suppose the section of sphere by plane, and this is the circle of intersection of sphere and plane. Now we have to find the coordinate of the point P and coordinate and the distance between P and A, that is the center of the circle and radius of the circle. So the answer of this problem, so the answer of the problem, find the center and radius of the circle of intersection of the sphere and plane. So after intersection of the sphere by plane, suppose this is the circle we have, this is the circle of intersection of sphere and plane. Now P is, suppose C is the center of the sphere, and draw a perpendicular from C on the plane. P is the foot of the perpendicular. Therefore, P becomes the center of the circle of intersection of sphere and plane. Now we have to find the coordinate of this point P and the distance between P and A, that is the radius of the circle. So first find the center of the sphere. This is the sphere represented by this equation: x square plus y square plus z square minus 2y minus 4z minus 11 is equal to 4. So compare this equation with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So what we have? We have the equation of the value of 2u is 0, therefore u is 0. Then 2v is minus 2, so v is minus 1, and 2w is minus 4, so w is minus 2. And then center of the sphere is what? The formula is minus u minus v minus w, that is 0 plus 1 plus 2. And radius of the sphere is what? Radius of the sphere is, the formula is root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So already d is minus 11, so it's become plus 11. And so we have the 4 as a radius of the circle, radius of the sphere, not circle, radius of the sphere. So first find the center and radius, that is CA. Here the A is the point of intersection of plane and sphere, which is common to plane and sphere. One of the point of intersection of plane and sphere, this point A. And therefore this CP becomes a radius of the sphere and it is equal to 4. Then draw perpendicular CP on the plane from the center C on the plane x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15 is equal to 0, that is this given plane. And therefore the direction ratios of CP are what? 1, 2, 2, because this CP is what? Is a perpendicular to plane, this plane x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15 is equal to 0. CP is perpendicular to this plane, means CP is normal to this plane. And what are the direction ratios of normal to the plane? The coefficient of x, y, z are the direction ratios of normal to the plane, and that's why the direction ratios of CP are what? 1, 2, 2. And now we have the point on CP as 0, 1, 2, and direction ratios of the line CP are 1, 2, 2. And therefore the equation of CP in the symmetrical form is what? X minus 0 divided by 1, that is the direction ratios A, y minus 1 divided by 2, and z minus 2 divided by 2. The formula is what? X minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C. So we have, this is the equation of the line CP. And then it is equal to, suppose, lambda or r. It is equal to, say, lambda or r. Then we have x is equal to lambda or r, y is equal to, that is after comparing x minus 0 by 1 is equal to lambda. Then y minus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda, gives y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. And z minus 2 by 2 is equal to lambda, gives z is equal to 2 lambda plus 2. So we have to find the point of contact of this line CP and the plane. That is, the point of P is also lies on the plane. So if the general coordinate of the any point on the line CP are of this form, lambda 2 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda plus 2. And if this point lies on the this plane, then we have this point satisfies the equation of plane. That is, we have substitute in the equation of plane as x as this lambda, y as 2 lambda plus 1, and z as 2 lambda plus 2. So in the equation of plane, because we have to find the point on the line as well as the point on the plane, point of contact of line and plane, this point P. So if this point on the line lies on this plane, then we have this, that is the equation of plane satisfied by this. And after simplification, we have lambda is equal to 1. So substitute this lambda is equal to 1. We have the uh, coordinate of the point P. What are that? Substitute lambda is 1. So x is 1, y is 3, and z is 4, is the center of the circle. Is the center of the circle. And the radius of the circle is what? PA. This PA, by using Pythagorean theorem, this is right angle triangle. PAC is right angle triangle. So is root CA square minus CP square. CA square minus CP square. CA is the radius, so its square is 60 minus CP. The coordinate of C and P as well are known. That is, C coordinate is 0, 1, 2, and the coordinate of P are 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. And so by using distance formula, we have this 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, then 1 minus 3, and 2 minus 4 bracket square. Okay, and that is the 9. So 16 minus 9 is root 7, and so this is the center of the this is the radius of the circle. So this is the answer of the question, that center and radius of the circle of intersection of sphere. This problem is also of the same type. Find the coordinate of center and radius of the circle of intersection of sphere and plane. So same procedure, we have this answer. So we'll see the remaining problem in the next lecture.